In this video, I'm going to take you over everything you need for acrylic pouring at home. And after that, we're going to make some awesome ocean art.
You'll need surfaces to work on, like canvases, cheese boards and coasters. You'll need at least 6 reusable cups. I've got 6 different acrylic paints to choose from: gloves, Floetrol, reusable straws, Popsticks for stirring, and a tray or tarp to catch all of the drips.
Alright guys, let's get pouring. First, put on your gloves and apron. And we're going to begin with dark blue. Open up your paint and you just want to put a little bit down to the bottom of your cup. Just squeeze it in there. And continue that for all colours into all of the cups. So you want to pour your Floetrol into each cup. I actually just guess, and it's when I'm mixing that I figure out if it's the right consistency or not. If it's too runny, I add more paint, and if it's not runny enough, I add more Floetrol. When mixing, you actually need to mix a lot because it will start off very lumpy, and then the more you mix, the smoother it will get. I need to add just a little touch of water. Alright, I think that's enough stirring, so I'm going to check the consistency by lifting my pop stick and pouring it back into the cup. Yeah, that's feeling perfect now. See that even drop of the paint? It's exactly what we want. Alright, make sure you've got your straws at the ready. All of your paint's ready to go, your canvas and a cup to rest your canvas on. For this piece, we're going to start with a flip cup. So, grab your cup. I'm putting in a little bit of white, some turquoise, dark blue, gold, a little bit of pink, more white, my darker aqua colour, and I'm going to finish it off with another dash of white because white is always so good.
So I've filled my cup less than half full because it's only a small canvas, and I'm doing a special maneuver where I flip the canvas on top of the cup and turn it back over carefully before I lift the cup. While the cup is resting there, run some white paint mix so that the paint will have something to grab onto when you lift the cup. Now I'm only going to lift the cup a tiny bit to allow some of the paint to puddle out. Then I can have a look at it and decide where I'm going to drop the rest of the paint on the canvas. And when I've decided, I'm going to lift the cup up completely and allow the paint to come pouring out from underneath. The beauty of this method is you don't have much control on how this is all going to turn out or how it's going to look. So you just got to go with it and carefully tilt the paint to reach the edges of the canvas. Now we tilt our flipped cup. Very carefully trying not to overstretch the cells because the cells are our star. So I like how that's looking, so I'm going to be gentle with it. You can use a finger to help the paint reach the edge of the canvas. Just be careful only to change the painting a little bit because sometimes less is more. You can use your straw by blowing at the paint gently. You want to blow on a bit of an angle, not directly down on the paint. This will make some cool effects in the artwork. But be careful not to do too much because you might change the look of the piece a lot. And if you like it, leave it. Make sure you don't work into it too much. I often do this and regret it later. So pop it away to dry on a piece of baking paper and give it 24 to 48 hours to dry. Sometimes more.